30-minute marketers. Today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money blogging and the top 3 ways to monetize your blog. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. To do that, click on that subscribe button, ring the bell for notification of future videos. Also, check the link in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use today to start your own online business. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. Like I said, today we're focused on how to make money blogging on WordPress and the top 3 ways to monetize a blog, with way number 1 being affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is and need to learn more about that, check the card here on the right corner of the screen. Also, check for the link in the description for a playlist about affiliate marketing. But the simple idea and concept behind affiliate marketing is simply, in this case, if we're talking about a blog, someone simply searches for a product or asks a question. They come from the search engine to your blog post. On your blog post, you have content that simply answers the question that the searcher has asked, such as, what is the best product to do X, Y, and Z? Your content answers that question and links them to a product, which is an affiliate product. Comes to an affiliate product page with a buy now button. They make a purchase and you make money from that sale. So that is the first way to monetize your blog. The second way to monetize your blog is with email marketing. This is the same concept. We're using a search engine. Someone searches for a question to solve their problem. They come to your blog post, and on your blog post, either in the blog post content or say a pop-up will ask for an email address. The reader will want to enter their email address to get more information from you, or you will provide them more information in, say, a PDF or additional videos that you possibly are giving away for free in exchange for their email, which will then be added to an email list, and then you will follow up with them with emails, which will send them to affiliate products or your own products, which again, you'll make commission from those affiliate products, or you'll earn 100% of the money from your own products. Of course, way number 3 of the top 3 ways to monetize a blog is with advertisements. In this case, people will be on a search engine. They will be asking that question, looking to solve a problem. They will find your link on the search engine, come to your blog post, and on your blog post, you will have, say, a banner ad on your blog post. And on your blog post, when they're reading through your content, they will see your ad. They will click on the ad. That will take them to the advertiser's product. And at that point, you don't make the money off of the purchase. You make the money off of how many times the ad is displayed. Those ads will be relevant to the user that was searching for the information. And the amount of money you make will depend on how much traffic you get to your blog. Which leads us to the number 1 thing that makes way 1, 2, and 3 work. And the way to go about getting that number 1 thing is to have a process, and is to understand everything you need to know about the best way to build a blog to get the traffic that you need. And one of the best trainings that you can get is a training called Income School and Project 24, where they show you exactly how to earn passive income. And you can do that by checking out all the niche sites that the guys from Income School have created. You can go here and you can see the sites such as Camper Report. Then you can go to camperreport.com. You can check out exactly what they're doing. But a great thing to do is go to Ubersuggest, type in camperreport.com, do a quick search, and you can see exactly what is possible by following the training at Income School, how you'll be able to utilize those top 3 ways to monetize your blog when you follow this training and you get these types of visits. As you can see, the organic visits per month. You can see here for the year, December, January, you can see hundreds of thousands of visits per month. Of course, with that type of traffic, all 3 of these top ways, affiliate marketing, email marketing, and advertisements, are going to successfully make you money from your blog, as long as your content is high quality, and of course if it answers the questions that the people are looking for when they enter it into the search engines. Of course, you can look at their other sites here to include Cabin Freedom and Improved Photography, of course Income School. Another great one here is Dirt Bike Planet. We've looked at this one on the channel before, but we'll go ahead and just, for completeness, go ahead and do a search real quick on Uber Suggest for Dirt Bike Planet, and as you can see, the monthly organic searches are not as high, but close to the same hundreds of thousands of searches per month. And if you scroll down, you can see the top pages that are being visited and exactly the type of content that you need to write to compete and be successful utilizing these 3 top ways to monetize your blog. Of course, another great thing about this Income School and a training from Jim and Ricky is the fact that they are going to provide you a WordPress theme called Acabado that is stupid fast, built for SEO, clean and organized, and designed for mobile first. And of course, you can see the Acabado theme demoed on Camper Report. We'll go ahead and take a quick look at that so you can just see the theme that you get from Income School. Because one of the things, like it said, the top 3 ways to make sure that you're monetizing your blog is to make sure that you have speed, SEO, make sure it's clean and organized, and that it is mobile responsive. Of course, here is the example of that inside a Camper Report. As you can see, it's a nice clean theme. It's built in for ads, as you can see the ad here. So if you were to click on one of their articles, you'll see exactly what they're doing here. Of course, if you were to read through this article, you can see right here, there's a full review. If you click on that full review, it's going to take you to the review, and you can read through the review, and you can see exactly the type of content they're using. Of course, you can see the ads here that are popping up on the page. And inside the Acabado theme, they're fast, they're not intrusive, you're still able to read the article without being interrupted. And as you scroll down through here, you'll be able to see eventually they will have a link where they are doing affiliate marketing. As you can see, check the current price of this generator, and of course what that does is you can see the link below there on the bottom left. But we'll go ahead and click on that link, and you'll see that that will take you to Amazon. And if you were to purchase this $750 generator, of course you would earn a commission just like they are. So you can see that this is highly effective, and one of the top 3 ways that was covered here, right here inside the mind map, affiliate marketing with a link, just like you saw in the funnel from the blog post, the example we saw on Camper Report, taking us over to the affiliate products, plus the money they're earning from the ads that are being displayed on the blog post. So again, that was camperreport.com, and we looked at camperreport.com inside of Uber Suggest, so you saw the traffic, you saw the keywords they're ranking for. So of course, with those top 3 ways to monetize your blog, affiliate marketing, email marketing, and advertisements, those work when you increase your traffic, and you can increase your traffic and get tons of traffic from the search engines to include Google and Bing, just like we saw there. Search to a blog post to affiliate products, and also collect emails and follow them up again to those same affiliate products. And the way that they show you how to do that is what they call the Project 24 timeline. And as you can see, the primary things you should be concerned with are the action steps that they lay out. So month 1, they give you the action to take, everything that'll be done, your outcome as far as traffic and income. Of course, you can see months 1 to 3 into month 4 is when you'll start getting traffic and income. Then you'll see as you move through months 5, 6, 7, 8 up into the first year, you can see the prediction. As long as you follow the actions plan, you create high quality content, your traffic will increase, your income will increase, and you'll move into month 13, 14 on into the rest of the months leading up to month 24, which at that point you'll see that as long as you've continued to take action, continue your publishing routine, you worked on your own course, your info products, you've optimized your ad and your affiliate monetization, and your traffic has increased, you'll see your income will increase. And when you do that, that's exactly how you can go about making money blogging on WordPress with these top 3 ways to monetize a blog. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, check the link in the description, and in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. Also, check out the link in the description for Income School. Go over, check out Jim and Ricky's 24-month action plan. Also, 30-minute timer here on the screen. Click that subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like you see the other videos here on the end screen. Be sure to watch those. And with that, I'll talk to you later. Bye.